This is the easy recipe of chicken vegetable rice. Let's check the calories. We're using only 2 tablespoons of rice. Try to make it in olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and garlic. Add chicken and let it cook. When water dries, you can use 1 tablespoon sauce of your choice. I use HP sauce. Now add boiled vegetables and capsicum. Add unsalted boiled rice and mix all very well. The points which make it low calorie are the fact that it's saltless and has less oil. To lose weight in a healthy way, always take small portions of meals. Take 6 tablespoons of chicken vegetable rice with lots of salad. It's better to take it in lunch. Take 1 fruit of your choice after meal. Citrus fruits are best for weight loss. After half an hour of lunch, have a cup of green tea with lemon drops. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you for watching.